Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and transfer money from Venmo to Chime. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular Venmo app on your mobile phone. So right when you're over here, all you have to do is simply sign in as well. And here in this section, when you tap on this option of me right below, and simply go ahead, tap on this me option below. Once you have tapped on that particular option, you will be able to access the balance of yours as long as you have the balance, and then you can see this option of manage beside. You will be able to tap on it, but the things that you have to make sure is you do remember your Chime account's routing number and the necessary information regarding it. Once you have tapped on this manage, you will be able to access this kind of a three option popping out, which includes the option of transfer to bank. Simply go ahead, transfer, tap on that particular option, and once you do that, you will be able to access another interface which includes the section where you can enter the amount that you would wish to transfer. Once you have entered the amount, all you have to do is simply tap on this next, and right over here you have to simply, you can choose to select a bank. You can, if you have transfer money to the Chime before, you might be able to see this over there. Otherwise, you can tap on this add bank given in the bottom. All you have to do is type in Chime and simply select that particular bank and simply provide the necessary information as is asked regarding your account. Once you have entered the information correctly, you will be able to tap on confirm and pay. Confirm, and you will be able to transfer the money to your Chime just likewise over there. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.